something new. Some friends of ours got some deer last season, so they gave some of the extra to us, and I decided to make some venison stew. So for this recipe, you will need 1 onion chopped, 2 carrots chopped. My family's not a huge fan of potatoes, so I just did 3 potatoes cut up, and then 2 celery sticks cut up. I left the recipe in the description. There are a couple of different ways you can do it. I did mine in the Instant Pot. There's a slow cooker option as well as doing it on the stovetop. I added a tablespoon of olive oil and the chopped onions. The recipe calls for 4 cloves of garlic minced, but you know I added a little extra garlic to give it a little extra flavor, as well as the venison cut up into chunks. I had some stew meat as well as a leg roast. You'll want to give this a stir until the venison is brown. Now the venison is browned, add in potatoes, celery, and carrots. Four cups of beef broth. 1 tablespoon Italian seasoning. 1 teaspoon thyme. 1/4 of a cup tomato paste. And 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. You'll also need 1 bay leaf. Give it a good stir. Turn your Instant Pot on a pressure cook for 35 minutes. Once the 35 minutes are up, let it do a natural release, which is about 10 to 15 minutes before you release the pressure. Give it a stir and add in a mixture of 3 tablespoons of water and 2 teaspoons cornstarch. This recipe was super delicious and easy to make, and I will definitely be making